Nancy NDC for Charlie. Nancy NDC for young guys, your book on your free. Charlie, that's a get to. Now, apparently now that screening him. No, this is the second time I'm talking about him because this is the second time I've seen his video. A friend of Malik Basintao. Mambo dini ya monfanchame. He's an NDC and oye NDC communicator. What you say? Oye NDC communicator. But Osha a branch, especially yana mitai hunu o TV3 pan. Osha in someone a year okan. Charlie, this guy, there's something about this guy. There's something about this guy. Maybe some me bought analysis I will o TV3. Ewo Cecilia Dapaah nsem so. Na Osha senia wodi to me kasana. He reminds me of Sami Jemfi when Sami Jemfi was coming up. Na tie nsem no. Tie nenum nsem.
A charge sheet that was reported by this woman whose monies have been stolen. And so I'm surprised that you have some communicators attempting to say that, no, the figures were misrepresented and that wasn't what was actually stolen. If that wasn't what was stolen, when the housemaid was spending the money, was she spending calories? Was she spending air? Was it on money she stole that she was spending? And so that cheap defense of this matter must stop and stop today. That is one. Two, what 16 billion, 160 billion old currency means to the ordinary Ghanaian out there. If you are a worker who earns 3,000 Ghana cedis, you need to work for about 100 years in order to be able to attain the 1 million alone dollars that was stolen. If you are an ordinary lecturer who takes 10,000 Ghana cedis, you need to work for 100 years in order to attain the dollars and the euros that was stolen.
And this is what I like about this guy's communication. You see, if you read a book, any book on communication, I better say a good communicator makes sure say or relate with the listeners. And yeah boy $1 million, 1 million microphones until you bring it down for people to understand. So far, me who say NDC communicator be this route. He's the only one, and it is a perfect route. Because okay, $1 million, $1 million, Ghana ni ontias you. But okay na nurse no etias say sika ojeno every month no. Ebe taking this number of years and sana wenya say sika no. Eno ni ekohu obi dem a. Eno obi hu ni say hey. Ati azie. Okay na teacher ni hu ni say ah. Ejuma no teacher ni ne ye no. Ebe taking 100 years of constantly. So what try there. Na sa 100 years no only one seed pon free. 100 years into 100 years no yisika ndidi on yisika nto idiane on yisika nto nsuo after 100 years no say sika no na obenya eno odebeye sei eno no so na it is, and that's what I'm saying. I don't know this guy, but lately no ya na me hu ne say wakasama NDC me say ah na say on some other guy be say friend say Sami aye o say den mambo dini ya monvanchame. Some young guy or a Dr. Samia, young guy, me sure say obedu 30 years simple. So when you are 30 years. Chale, ono so betina TV super na wutie se mo kan kukudra wode kasana. Masa, me ni NDC for sa young guys omoko konyo omu baby omkonyo omu free, but ejuma no they are good. The communication no, they understand it. Ti abrante no, baby a me dey, baby a all relate no. With Ghana for so that Ghana for better. Last me wahana me katrem say obi frame me katrem say melodies. Bro for akese na ya oken country ya na break it down man because you person yet here. And people come here and they tell me one of the reasons why a lot of people they follow me and they say nyese be a story no want you wati but him say melodies bet trust here am not here. Into okoti wo baby kra na or say me baba betie melodies na ma hwese ne obet trust here. Into no for a communicator to break it down for people to understand what is going on, I don't know. It's just nice. It marvels me the way he's young and he's speaking with courage. No, well, you see, we na last okochi MPP ni bi what TV3 show so o bully MPP ni sama afi MPP ni no okodi atemo se den ya ye be pon show no or whatever. Just say abrante ni no dem pa say friend Malik unten nkanda menso. These times I'm sure I say meeting Malik Basinta, but is it Basinta? I don't know. But yenti
in order to attain the dollars and the euros that was stolen. If you are a nurse watching me this morning, you need to work for 333 years.
Nti won send ya wire no. Nti nurse ni no ebe hu ne say, "Hey, e was me ye adwuma for 336 years and sana menya sika de ekoko wia wo Cecilia Dapaah dem no." Unti no now say, "Hey, I don't know who advised this guy to do this, but guy we make that audio machine free no. I'm not going to lie to you. Messians are star way free no because guy na ya de na ma why ya de na ma na kamisunsum. Hey, ti next ni be ye juma 300 years and sana wenya sika na ko wi free free way Cecilia Dapaah. Inti no ma hu ne sika ne so. Ati ase.
Before you can get $1 million that she had in her house.
Why these figures?
This is what the amounts of monies that have been stolen mean to you and I. And so I just wanted everyone to have an appreciation of what we are speaking about. Now the question many people have asked, why keep such huge sums of monies in your house?
Because it could be her personal money.
2 months ago, the government was on the street arresting abochis. And their claim was that these abochis have hoarded dollars to the extent that they are unable to get foreign exchange at the Bank of Ghana to salvage the currency. Little did we know that a sanitation minister under this government was hoarding $1 million, 300 euros under her bed. And Roland, mind you, these amounts of money, 160 billion, was stolen somewhere July last year. It wasn't noticed. June. It wasn't noticed. It wasn't realized until somewhere in October when the husband came back from work and found the house help stealing. If you have 100 items and one is stolen, just one or 5 are stolen, you would easily detect that they are level 95 and so they are no longer 100. But if you have 1,000 and one is stolen, it will be very difficult to identify. And so if 160 billion of somebody's money can be taken and the person will not realize that a penny was stolen out of it, it should tell you the amounts of monies that she still has hidden in her room. Now, this is a ministry that every now and then spends government of Ghana's money, the taxpayers' money. Quite recently, 43 million was exhausted by the ministry to drain an Odor lagoon that the then Ibrahim Mahama was draining for free for the government of Ghana. This woman said she spent 43 million. When Parliament asked her to account,
that was under control.
When Parliament asked her to account for the work done, the state of that particular river and how the monies were utilized, not a penny was accounted for in Parliament. Fisen is here. He should tell me when those amounts of money were accounted for in Parliament. Not a penny was accounted for. A chap.
You know, Abrantia no Malik, very very hard guy, very hard guy, very hard guy. Now, utie conversation there because of social media now. Obi nso see for the MPP, say MPP foot soldiers near see a more of 700 cedis every month. So mo be defend Obi to say Cecilia Dapaah money enyama no. Omo no moji omo no sa 700 cedis no, it will take them 1,346 years to make that amount of money, to make sikana ebia o Cecilia Dapaah no. Hey Charlie. Je voya asemu. Hey asemu. Hey Charlie. So I mean, this is what is going on. Asem the crime mystery. Hey. But nini name no communicator NDC for communicator we na me pese me bona baso Malik bini baby NDC for kokonya ne free but maka me say from NDC for no matter say you say sa young guys here wo mo ba wo mo e dia kokodro kasa e wo TV ni radio so no matter say special aid to Mahama Joyce Bawa Muktari matter say ono e na wo train omo. That's what I heard. Mateso no training omo. Wherever wokonya sa young guys we free, you know. It is attracting other young people to the NDC party. Last me we did comments etremo say oko TikToker. A lot of people are saying that now the NDC is looking attractive to them. A lot of the young guys. you would want that. Okay, there's something as a party you want. You know, whatever the NDC is doing to the young guys, keep on doing it. It is helping your party. Comment box.